welcome back to our channel.
We are back at Royalton CHIC Cancun by Marriott.
This is an adults-only all-inclusive resort that focuses on partying.
Stay tuned to find out more. Let's go! After checking out from the Hyatt Secrets Divine adult-only all-inclusive resort, we headed to the Royalton CHIC Cancun Autograph Collection resort. Royalton CHIC is also a 5-star luxury resort. This is our second visit. Our first day was in December 2021 and we created some wonderful memories. We were excited to revisit. We're here for the second time.
Hola.
Hola.
Gracias. Oh,
Gracias.
thank you. Cheers.
Since Vinny booked the Diamond Club category room, we were escorted to the private check-in Diamond Club lounge. Waiting to be checked in. There's a lot of people trying to check in Diamond. I don't know if we check in outside, we'll be faster.
I'm not sure, but are they all checking in or some of them are checking out?
I think mostly checking in. Yeah. While waiting to be checked in, you can snack and drink at the Diamond Lounge. There is no bartender, but you can get the liquor from the bar and drink it. This day, the lounge food selection was not wide due to the buffet was closed, but next day there were many options. Also, their food is pretty good. The check-in process was pretty quick and they give you a bracelet for your key. Since we booked the Diamond Club room, we pay around $114 more. In high level, as a Diamond Club member, you will get the additional benefits such as butler service, lounge access, Diamond member exclusive pool, and more. After checking in, our butler greeted us right away and gave us the resort tour.
So I brought you out here so I remind you of the areas.
Yeah.
Remember that everything on the left side with the blue chairs is for Diamond Club guests.
Okay.
As well as this side of the that has the swimming
Oh
pool,
yeah.
right? This is the pool where we have the premium liquor, like the liquor you saw in the lounge.
Okay.
Premium liquor only here or at the lounge.
Okay.
Main pool is where we have the activities during the day. Shallow pool with chairs in the water and a jacuzzi for everybody right here. If you want to eat by the pool, remember that we have the grill. I don't know, maybe the last time you were here it wasn't there.
I don't think it was there.
Yeah, it was different.
Yeah.
So that grill is really good.
So where is the rooftop?
Alright. So remember that the rooftop, all the cabanas over here are the ones with an extra cost.
Okay.
Only the lounge chairs on the back over there where there is no umbrellas, those are the chairs that don't have a cost.
Yeah.
So if you want to come later for the party, you can take one chair, leave your stuff, get in the pool, enjoy the party. The foam is going to be right here, the machine, you see that?
Oh, the blue.
It's going to be right here in the middle. All right. And over there at the end is the seafood restaurant. That's where dinner is going to be tonight.
So depends on the day, they do have a different theme of parties going on in level 18. You'll see this kind of thing during party. If you love pool party or here to actually celebrate any bachelors, then this is the best place for you. And that is actually a restaurant. We'll be coming here for dinner and we'll be sharing that dinner footage in our next video. For some seats, you actually have to pay. For example, this one, you have to spend a bottle for a minimum $150 USD. And for the bigger sofa, around 200, she said. This with the jacuzzi will be 300 to rent it. For the room tour, I have two rooms to show. One is the luxury oceanfront suite, the other one is luxury oceanfront presidential suite. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Excellent. Go ahead. After you.
It was not a big upgrade, but Vinny got upgraded to the luxury oceanfront suite. And this is the resort bag, it's a complimentary. So this is the in-room dining options and I filmed the whole thing. Feel free to skip it if you're not interested, but if you're interested what kind of food they serve, I think this is a good footage for you. For the breakfast, they do have a decent option, English and continental breakfast option. For lunch, dinner, and supper, it's just a pizza, sandwich, and salad. That's pretty much it. Anyway, most likely you'll be spending your time at the pool during the day, and nighttime you'll be going to their all-inclusive restaurant, so you may not be ordering much here. It's just a breakfast, I think. As I mentioned, we actually stay here in 2021. We would like to share our luxury oceanfront presidential suite. Once you walk in, there is actually a restroom with a shower area, which we never used it because you will see our second bathroom. Unlike the normal suite, the room has a bar and it offers more alcohol selection in the room. That day, the refrigerator was not stocked up yet and they actually stocked up later. Since it's a presidential suite, the bathroom is massive. It's bigger than my master bedroom, sadly, but it is very big. For the shower and toilet, it is the exact same size as the normal suite, so I don't think it's bigger. And the tub was pretty nice. It has a jacuzzi, so we used it multiple times. They have a scale too. The balcony is bigger than the normal suite since it's a bigger room. For the massage, we did not book it, but for a diamond member, you get a discounted rate. and also it comes with the complimentary hydrotherapy. Since we already done it, so we didn't redo it in 2024, but this 2021 footage, you actually go to steam sauna, dry sauna as well, and they do have these kind of water thing you can enjoy like him. Looks like a real ajushi. Now let's dive into the pool and beach area. As a Diamond member, you do have access to the Diamond pool here. And there's a Diamond pool bar. They do serve you premium alcohol. In addition, there's a Diamond exclusive beach lounging area. And we noticed the seaweed situation is very random. Sometimes there are a lot of seaweed, some days there's not much seaweed. This day, the water was super clear, there were not many seaweeds. Also, they do offer the paragliding or any other water activity. You just need to talk to the front desk to book it. At nighttime, there's a lot of activities going on. First of all, they do offer this nightly show. And late night, they actually prepare for the dancing area. You can dance and drink and sing and do many activities here as well. It's like a nightclub. And one last thing to let you know that you might experience a water problem. There are a lot of people too, but also Mexico has some water issue going on. So we had to wait for like minimum 1-2 hours to take a shower. If you talk to front desk, they will offer you to go to different room to take a shower since they do have more water there sometimes, but we just waited. Just for information. In our next video, we'll be reviewing the Royalton CHIC food. If you are a foodie like us and this is important criteria for you to book the hotel or resort, stay tuned for our next video. And if this video was helpful, please give us a like. We're not gonna expect you to subscribe all the time, but if you can give us a like, that will help us to boost our channel. And thank you so much for subscribing and liking us, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.